Hello friends, welcome to Secret of Electronics. In this video we will learn how to make an analog watch using the SSD1306 OLED display, DS3231 RTC module and Arduino Nano. In this circuit you can see the 3.3 volt pin of the Arduino Nano board is connected to the VCC pin of the SSD1306 OLED display and the VCC pin of the DS3231 RTC module to provide 3.3 volt to both the display and the RTC module. The GND pins of both the SSD1306 OLED display and the DS3231 RTC module are connected to the GND pin of the Arduino Nano board. The SDA pins of both the SSD1306 OLED display and the DS3231 RTC module are connected to the analog pin A4 of the Arduino Nano board. The SCL pins of both the SSD1306 OLED display and the DS3231 RTC module are connected to the analog pin A5 of the Arduino Nano. We are using the analog pins 4 and 5 of the Arduino Nano because both of these pins are the I2C pins of the Arduino Nano board. 3 push switches with 10 kΩ pull-up resistors are connected to the digital pins 2, 3 and 4 of the Arduino Nano board. We will use these push switches to adjust the time of our analog watch. Now connect the Arduino Nano board to your PC using a USB cable. After connecting, open the Arduino IDE and the code file, which you can download from the link provided in the description. Next, select the correct board and port. After selecting the right board and port, upload the code to the Arduino Nano by clicking the upload button in the Arduino IDE. Now you can see our clock is working perfectly. When I press the push switches, then the hour and minute change. After adjusting the hour and minute, pressing the set push switch updates the time on the clock.